Look.
This is Patch. Patch is spayed and declawed. 10 years old and litter trained. Good with kids. Hi, pretty Patch. Oh, you look like my mama. Pretty kitty. Zuna. Zuna's young. Not fixed, not declawed. 6 to 7 months old. Really playful. And Alistair. Alistair's so sweet. Very sweet. He's neutered and declawed. Alistair. And we have Rowdy. Rowdy just... Rowdy is neutered and declawed. 6 years old. Good with kids. Litter trained. She's a stray, so not much is known about Talia. And Bigfoot. Bigfoot just came in too, so he's a little scared. Big orange kitty. He's neutered and declawed. Good with kids. Litter trained. We got Whisper. You're fine. You can put him in. Whatever you want to do. As long as you don't mind your arms being on camera. That's Whisper. Whisper is not fixed and not declawed. 2 years old. Sorry. Up to date on rabies.
You are all about getting out, aren't you?
Whisper likes to talk.
Watch out, Paula.
Oh, now you on camera again.
That's Gabriel. Gabriel's been here the longest. Not fixed, not declawed. Gabriel, kitty. Look at that face. Playful, you like to play, huh? Gabriel, Whisper, Bigfoot, Rowdy, Talia, Alistair, Zuna, Patch. We're getting full on cats. Need to come adopt.